Welcome to the Deep Dive, Topical Authority, the 2026 Blueprint. We're breaking down what it truly takes to dominate your niche online. Forget the old ways of SEO. The future of ranking belongs to one concept: Topical Authority. This is your definitive guide to building an impenetrable content moat. What is Topical Authority? Simply put, it's having authority on every single aspect of a specific topic. It means covering your niche so thoroughly that Google considers you the definitive source, leaving no gaps for competitors. Let's use an example. Take the core topic of SEO. What subtopics must you cover to achieve full authority? You need comprehensive deep dives into backlinks, on-page tactics, technical health, and critically, internal linking. Your role as a creator is evolving. It's no longer about single articles. It's about owning the entire category cluster. And within that content cluster, there is one often missed element that provides structure and sends massive trust signals. That element is internal linking. When done incorrectly, your site feels broken. When done right, it's seamless power. Internal links are the glue that ties your authority together, guiding users and search engines deeper into your expertise. Building and maintaining this level of authority manually is exhausting. That's why we created a better way. Meet SyncRanker. This is where the 2026 Blueprint comes to life. SyncRanker AI automatically maps, builds, and maintains the perfect topical authority structure for you at scale. It's time to stop chasing keywords and start building a real digital moat around your brand. Visit SyncRanker.com to see how our AI can transform your SEO strategy. Click the link below and start your free trial today. Own your topic.